Checklist I/O.
Today we're at Hongwei Machinery and we're checking out the newest turning center. Now it's a perfect machine if you need to turn extra large irregular shaped parts. Now let's check out some of the key features for this machine.
Music licensing reimagined.
As you can see here, this is a servo power turret. Now Hongwei also has a full range of turret options. Now if you need a specialized chuck option for your production needs, they also have this as well. This machine comes equipped with custom slideway covers that have brushes to protect the machine from coolant and chip damage. This ensures your machines can be running at full capacity. This particular machine is equipped with a foot-up controller. If customers need a Siemens or Mitsubishi controller, this can also be ordered as an option. The hydraulic system is designed to be on the backside of the machine for space saving and a small footprint. Within this series, the HW-800 can be equipped with a side-mounted coolant tank. Now to learn more about this vertical turning center or the full range of Hongwei's machines, give them a call today. They're ready to serve you.